Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. We're doing a little bit of work on the neon today, trying to get ready for the carbon cases to go on the car. So I've got everything cleaned up. There's another panel next door where I'm doing the painting, and the carbon pieces, they're stick-on, so they go on with double-sided tape, which, I mean, is awesome. It should be super easy to put them on, but they don't fit quite 100% perfect. So I'm having to spray paint them because when I go to put the pieces on, I get a little bit of a lip around it that you'll be able to see this gray panel almost clear as day. So I've got some black spray paint, and that's pretty much what I'm doing today. I'm getting these pieces spray painted, getting them just ready, so that way hopefully they'll be dry tomorrow and I can actually start sticking on the carbon. So that's pretty much what we're doing today for the most part, and then I get to show you guys my Christmas present. So I'm going to go ahead and start spraying these, and then I'll show you guys what I got. All right. Yeah, so they look half decent. The camera probably doesn't show you too much of what's going on, but it's not really settling all that well in the texture, so probably gonna end up having to redo them. But anyways, it's a start. If I have to put a second coat, I have to put a second coat. So anyways, what I got was something that Audrey and I had watched online, and it's called a blue driver. So it's a professional scan tool, or a pro scan tool, or whatever the hell you want to call it. And then all it is it plugs into your OBD2 port, and then you can get real-time data. You can check engine codes, you can do all that cool stuff. So it just plugs in, it's plug and play, and there's actually an app in I think the Google App Store, and I know there's one on the Apple App Store. But anyways, all that does is plug in. So I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like while it's running on the app. So that just plugs in. You'll see a blue light when it's in working, and then I go ahead and open the door. Then with the vehicle running, you can go into the app, which is like I said, it's the Blue Driver app right here. It'll show you that it's connecting. Alright, so we're all connected, so we can look at where do we want to go here? Live. So you can see everything as it's working. So we'll look at the throttle position. So I'll give it a rev. That way. So with all that going on, we can look at scan tool. It can read codes. It'll make it so that way you can keep track of your mileage in between oil changes or whatever you want to do. You go into more. There's actually, where is it here? Vehicle info. You can go into potential recalls. It'll tell you everything about what's going on with the car that it's plugged into, and this will work with anything from, I believe it's 1996 up, so anything with an OBD2 port. So that was my Christmas present, and I think it's gonna be a great little thing to have. My whole intention is where the radio and everything is. I'm not planning on having a stereo of any sort in this car, and if I do want to have a radio going, I've got a bunch of those little Bluetooth speakers, so that's good enough for what I want to do. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to find a way to put an iPad in that center area, and then have it so that way I can have all my gauges through that. So that's my plan with that anyway. We have mounted the hood onto the car. I'll put it down. It looks wicked. I'm super impressed with that. And yeah, I'm super happy with that hood. The antenna, it was broke on the car when I got it, so I actually went to Kenny U-Pull here in Moncton and got a new piece for that, and then I got a short antenna from Modern Performance, so there's that to go on. I've got the carbon trunk here. It's in the process of getting put back together. I had an issue where the third brake light didn't want to go in the way that it was supposed to, so I ended up getting another third brake light, and that's kind of where I'm at. Other than that, right now, we ordered a little bit more wrap. Mike took care of me on that one, and should have that probably by next week. The car, we're gonna go see Mike's friend, and we're gonna get the rockers put on, get them welded in, get them fixed up, and then we're about ready to wrap. So it's been going good. I can't wait to keep working on it. I should be able to put the headliner and those plastic trim pieces back in probably in the next couple of days, so that's another big step forward. Yeah, but that's pretty much where I'm at. So in the next video, I should be showing you how to install the carbon pieces onto those the plastic inserts. Then we're going to start with the interior again. So that's where we're sitting. That's where we're at, and it should be going pretty good here in the not too distant future. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and in case I don't get a video out before the New Year, hope you guys have an awesome New Year's Eve. Be safe, don't drink and drive. Anyways, guys, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and we will see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell, and you guys will get the newest video as soon as it comes out. And don't forget, we still have that the Avalon King ceramic coating going on, the giveaway. The video has not been getting the likes like I hope, so I don't know what we're gonna do there, but we'll figure something out. As of right now, it's staying at 250 likes and we'll give it away, and 250 subscribers, and we're gonna give another one away where I actually install it for the person. So we're at 140 subscribers. We're 110 away. You guys can do it. We can come together and get that ceramic coat on one of your guys' vehicles. So please like and subscribe, share this with your friends, comment on the video, let me know what you want to see, what you haven't seen, and anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.